If you would like to complete your assignment using Microsoft Word, go to the assignment page, then scroll down to the Complete the Assignment section. Under Using Microsoft Word, take note of the instruction about creating a folder on your computer where you can save completed files that you've worked on. Then download the assignment. When you click on the link, it will download the file to your default download folder on your computer. Click on the file that you've downloaded, and it will open in Microsoft Word. After clicking on the file and the Word document opens, you can go ahead and edit your document or answer the questions by clicking on checkboxes to answer your questions. You also can type into the text boxes to answer questions that are asked in the document. Once you've completed the assignment, go to the top menu of Word and click on File, Save As. Find the location that you've specified for your assignments. Change the name of the file so it's something you recognize as being the completed file, and click on Save. That file is now saved on your computer, and you can use that to upload into Canvas to submit your assignments.